Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new uptrend effect that's Holoscan in CapCut mobile. So you can tap on your project, select the videos or photos that you like to edit. And for example, I'm going to open this project. So there is a photo here, and I'm going to select Holoscan effect. Just click effect, select video effect, and scroll down. You can find Holoscan. Just tap on it and tap on it again to adjust for the glow, blur, and etc. And just click check mark. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.